Hello, my sweetie pies. It's wonderful to have you back again. We are going to be doing some more math today in preparation for you to go into grade 1. These are some skills you're going to have. Know how to do a little bit of addition, a little bit of subtraction, know some of your words, know your letters, all that good stuff. So this is to help you get ready for grade 1 in the fall. So we did a review on addition already, so now we're going to look at subtraction. So remember from the previous video I showed that subtraction is taking a big group and pulling some of those animals or numbers or counters, whatever it is, out of that big group to make it a smaller group. So you're removing things to make a big group into a smaller group. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing today. This is based on one of your zoo pages in your green covered booklet. That looks like this. It says problem solve. It's in your zoo section, and it has a number minus another number equals, and then it has some pictures on the side. So I'm not going to show you with animal pictures because Mrs. C's talent does not lie in drawing animals, but I am going to definitely show you how to do this using some circles so you know how to do this page. So this is the lesson that we are focusing on today. So this is in your zoo unit in your green booklet. Okay, are you ready? All right, so we have some numbers on our big whiteboard, and let's see if I put it down here. No, not really. Okay, we'll just do it back here. Okay, so we have our very first question, which is, do you know this number? 6 minus 4 equals, so we're starting with a group of 6, so we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're taking 4 of those circles away. So that's what we're going to do. If you hear some noise in the background, it's just my kids. They're playing together and they tend to scream and be really loud when that happens. So if you hear something, just ignore it. It's my own children. So we're starting with 6 circles, but we want to, this sign means take away. So we want to take away 4 of those circles. So just like in your booklet, you are actually going to cross out the animals that you are taking away from the group. So I want you to cross out the circles that you are taking away. So count with me. We're going to take 4 away. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've taken 4 out of that group. Now we're going to put a circle around how many are left. So we are going to circle the circles that are left, and that's what you're going to count because that's going to be the number that's going to go on this line. That's how many you have left. So how many circles do we have left? 1, 2. Excellent. We have 2 circles left. If we start with a group of 6, take 4 away, we are left with 2. Okay, we're going to do another one. This time we're going to start with 3 circles and we're going to take, let's see if I can get a little bit closer now. Here we go. Now that we've done that first one, we can get a bit closer. So we are starting with 3 circles. We're going to take 2 away from that group, and let's see how many we're left with, okay? So we're going to take 2 away. So remember, you're going to cross out how many you're taking away from the group and circle the number you have left, and that's what you're going to count, and that's what's going to go in here. Sorry, you're not seeing my whole face, but that's all right. So 3, starting with a group of 3, we take 2 away. How many are we left with? How many is in that circle? Count with me. 1. 1 is left. So we are going to put a 1 on our line, and that's how many we have left. Good job. Now I'm going to move it even closer so you can see the next 2 really, really well. So this time, how many circles are we starting with? We are starting with 7. Excellent. How many are we taking away from that group of 7? We are taking away 3. So we are going to cross out 1, 2, 3 of those circles, and then we are going to put a circle around all of the other ones that we have left, because that is now our group. That's how many we have left, and that's what we're going to count. So we have, don't forget this little one up here, 1, 2, 3. We have 4 left. So if we start with a group of 7, we take 3 away, we are left with 4. Excellent. Let's try one more just so you know everything that you need to help you do that page in your green booklet. So now we're starting with a group of 8. That's our big group. We want to take 4 of those circles away. So we are going to cross out how many circles? We're going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to circle the circles that we have left. And that's going to be our new group. So we started with 8, we took away or crossed out 4. Now how many are we left with? Are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3. We are left with 4. Does that make sense? I hope so. This is a little bit tricky. Taking a group, having a big group and taking some away is a little bit trickier than adding them together. So if this you are finding a little bit difficult, that is okay. If you need to ask for help, you have wonderful adults in your house who I'm sure would be more than happy, oh, there's a kitty, more than happy to help you figure out how to do this, because this is probably one of the harder things you're going to learn in kindergarten. Did you hear the screaming? I don't know if it'll translate, but there they are, very excited children. All right, my sweetie pies, good luck with this page. Remember, if you don't understand how to do it, you can watch this over and over again, or you can ask that special parent in your house to give you a hand. All right, good luck. I'm sure you're gonna do amazing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.